Alright, so today we are doing a level 3 hoard clean out. Client said we can essentially toss most of everything. We just got notice that she got an eviction literally just a few days ago. So if we can get this entire thing cleaned up in the next 2 days, then she gets to keep her home. It's gonna be a lot of work. Crew comes in about 30 minutes and we're just gonna start working on it. And I think we'll be able to take care of it. So we'll see what happens. Gang. Hard work, boys. Hard work. That's what I'm talking about. A nice sweaty Be Clean shirt. Yeah. Hard workers only.
Now, before we go any further, let me say thank you to our sponsor, Simple Green. Simple Green found out about this project the same time I did, which was only 5 days before the family was going to get evicted. The cool part is that Simple Green responded immediately. They saw that the need was out there, and the fact that this person was going to lose everything unless someone took action. So mad respect for Simple Green for providing this emergency funding for this person to keep their home, as well as supplying the cleaning agents we needed to get this place back to a healthy and clean state.
Alright, we are on day 2 of the project here. We've gotten quite a bit done thus far. We're keeping this here for all the keep stuff right now, but we are moving on straight into the kitchen and getting this up cleared up. Quick fun fact about the room we're cleaning up right now. Apparently the client used to sleep here, and the client used to... I'm so bad at this.
You want me to say
I'm
it?
so awkward.
So fun fact
No, yes.
about the room that we're cleaning. The client used to sleep in here, and a few years ago they saw a rat when they woke up, and so they shut the door and haven't been in here since then. So yeah, that's why we're able to just throw away everything, because they haven't been able to use any of the stuff and they don't have no desire to keep it.
I don't want to go to school tomorrow.
Okay, that is good.
Oh, thumbnail! Just got the box truck filled. We out of here. We done. We done. Be Clean does it right. Yeah. See, bro? See, bro? Yeah.